Hey friends, if you wish to configure search settings in Microsoft Edge, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So open Microsoft Edge, click on these three dots at the top right corner. Now select settings, go to privacy search and services, and then you can find the search settings here. Okay, so here's what we have to do. Click on search and connected experiences, and then you'll find this option, use a web service to resolve navigation errors. You can check or uncheck it, suggest similar sites when a website cannot be found. Actually it's checked, but I don't like it. Save time and money with shopping, absolutely disable it. I mean, in my case, you can choose accordingly. Save content using collections, no. Organize your tabs. Okay, this is good. Address bar and search. Okay, Bing is the recommended browser here. I will change it to Google. And save screenshots of sites or history, never. So you can choose the search settings as per your requirements, but these are the ones that I choose. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.